फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है हाइजीन का, दैट इज which of the following is the most effective and commonly used chemical disinfectant for large scale municipal water supplies। ठीक है, तो वाटर सप्लाईज के लिए हम कौन सा वाला केमिकल यूज करते हैं? तो इसका आंसर है दैट इज द क्लोरीन, दैट्स द क्लोरीन। ठीक है, दूसरा क्वेश्चन जो है द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ सस्पेंडेड impurities from the water by passing it through beds of sand is called, that's called the removal of suspended impurities, that's called the filtration, that's called the filtration। अब क्वेश्चन है Horrocks apparatus is field based equipment used for, that's used for estimating the bleaching powder required to disinfectant a known volume of water। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है that is the standard indicator organism used for testing fecal contamination of drinking water, that's called the E. coli। ठीक है, E. coli जो है इससे हमें पता चलता है ड्रिंकिंग वाटर में फीटल कंटामिनेशन है। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है हार्डनेस इन वाटर इज प्राइमरी कॉज्ड बाय द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सॉल्युबल साल्ट्स, दैट्स कॉल्ड द कैल्शियम एंड मैग्नीशियम। ठीक है, हार्डनेस ऑफ वाटर होती है ड्यू टू कैल्शियम एंड मैग्नीशियम। अब क्वेश्चन है दैट इज एक मिनट, ऑर्थोडलीन टेस्ट इज यूज्ड इन वाटर क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट टू टेस्ट फॉर, दैट इज द रेजिडुअल क्लोरीन, दैट इज द रेजिडुअल क्लोरीन। अब क्वेश्चन है दैट इज द डिजायरेबल लिमिट ऑफ फ्लोराइड इन द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर according to WHO guidelines to prevent dental caries and fluorosis, that is the 0.5 to 0.8 mg per gl per gram, mg per liter, sorry 0.5 to 0.8 mg per liter। अब क्वेश्चन है excess fluoride in the drinking water over prolonged periods leads to a disabling condition is known as fluorosis, that's called fluorosis। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है the process of adding chemical coagulants like the alum to water to agglomerate fine suspended colloids is known as, that is coagulation और हम flocculation बोल सकते हैं। अब क्वेश्चन है that is slow sand filters differ from the land's rapid sand filters primary because slow sand filter जो है वो क्या करवाता है, that is operates without coagulants and rely on the biological zoological mat। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है blue baby syndrome in infants is caused by excess level of which contaminated in drinking water, that is the nitrates, that is the nitrates। अब क्वेश्चन है black foot disease and the hyperpigmentation of the skin are chronic health effects associated with long term consumption of water with, that is the arsenic। ब्लैक फुट डिजीज किससे होती है, दैट इज आर्सेनिक से। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है दैट इज द इटाई डिजीज इज कॉज्ड बाय chronic environmental poisoning due to the cadmium, due to the cadmium। अब क्वेश्चन है Minamata disease first reported in Japan is caused by the bioaccumulation of the toxic levels of, that is the organic methyl mercury, organic methyl mercury। ठीक है, उससे क्या होता है Minamata disease। अब क्वेश्चन है physical property of water indicating the its cloudiness caused by suspended particles is measured in, that is NTU, नेफ्रोमेट्रिक टर्बिडिटी यूनिट्स, NTU। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है सुपर क्लोरिनेशन ऑफ वाटर refers to the practice of, that's called the adding an excessive high dose of chlorine followed by dechlorination, that's called the super chlorination। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है the pH of say potable drinking water as recommended by WHO BIS standards should ideally in between, that is 6.5 to 8.5। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है which waterborne disease presents with watery rice water stools and the rapid severe dehydration? That's called the cholera. That's called the cholera. अब क्वेश्चन है leptosporiasis is a zoonotic bacterial infection frequently transmitted to humans through water contaminated with the urine of infected that is rodents, जिसको हम बोलते हैं rats, ठीक है, या हम बोलते हैं mice. अब क्वेश्चन है which parasite water borne infection causes prolonged watery diarrhea and is transmitted via environmentally hardy cystis resistant to routine chlorination, that's called the Giardia lambania, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ वाटर एरेशन इन द म्युनिसिपल वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट इज दैट इज द रिमूव द डिसॉल्व गैसेस लाइक द हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड एंड वोलेटाइल ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स व्हाइल एडिंग द ऑक्सीजन, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है बैक्टीरियोलॉजिकल वाटर एनालिसिस टू डिटेक्ट Californium bacteria is typically performed using the multiple tube fermentation technique, most probable number MPN, जिसको हम बोलते हैं. अब क्वेश्चन है that is the in rural sanitation breakup point chloration means that is the point where chlorine dominant demand is fully satisfied and the free residual chlorination begins to appear, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है that is the most common method of household water disinfectant in disaster relief settings in the distribution of that is the bleaching powder packets of or chlorine tablets, इसमें हम डाल सकते हैं. अब क्वेश्चन है ड्रैंकुलिसिस is a waterborne या water contact parasite infection eradicate globally through that is the boiling water and filtering through the chlorine pipe filters, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है the sanitary disposal of human excrete aims primarily to prevent the transmission of that is the fecal or the transmitted disease and vector breeding, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है ventilated improvement pit latrine is specially designed to control that is the odors and the fly breeding, that is the odors and fly breeding, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है septic tanks जो है primary function through which type of biological sewage treatment process that is the anaerobic digestion and sedimentation, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है the effluent from a septic tank must be disposed of safely common through a that is dispersion trench या soak pit हम बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है according to BMW rules in India human anatomical waste हम किस में डिकम्पोज करते हैं, that's in the yellow bin. अब क्वेश्चन है plastic items tubings bottles IV sets generated in the healthcare settings or segregated in what bin, that is in the red bag, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है broken glasses vials ampoules metallic implants are disposed in that's the blue boxes, ठीक है, या puncture proof containers हम बोलते हैं, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है the color coding bag used for generally household like the municipal waste in the hospitals kitchen waste paper cartons that is decomposed in black या green generally waste bins, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है composite of the organic solid waste involves the biological decomposition of organic matter by microorganism under that is the controlled aerobic conditions, ठीक है. इसका आंसर है controlled aerobic conditions, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है refuse refers to, refuse का मतलब है solid refuse refers to solid waste comprising garbage and rubbish, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है that is the night soil refers to human excrete collected from the latrines without water carriage system, उसको हम बोलते हैं night soil, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है the sanitary land filling method of the solid waste disposal involves that is the spreading waste in the layers compact it and covering it daily with the earth, ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, incineration is the preferred disposable method for which category of hospital waste? That is the infectious anatomical waste, pathological waste and pharmaceuticals. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, the waste carriage, the water carriage system of sewage disposal relies on transporting the waste, that is underground pipe networks using water. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, sewer gas accumulating in unvented drainage system primarily consists of methane, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide and ammonia. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, open dumping of solid waste is a public health hazard primarily because it promotes breeding of the vectors like the flies, mosquito, rodents and spread of पैथोजेंस. ठीक है, इसीलिए हम करते हैं, दैट इज द हम ओपन डंपिंग नहीं करते हैं. अब है, बायोकेमिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड इज स्टैंडर्ड लेबोरेटरी टेस्ट दैट मेजर्स, दैट इज द अमोनिया ऑफ amount of dissolved oxygen required by aerobic microorganisms to biological oxidize organic matter in water. अब है क्वेश्चन, chemical oxygen demand differs from biochemical oxygen demand measures, that is the total oxygen required to chemically oxidized all organic and inorganic compounds in the water. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, that is a soap pit functions successfully only when the surrounding soil has adequate, that is permeability and percolation capacity. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, the term fecal sludge management specifically refers to the collection, transport and treatment of sludge form, that's called the on-site sanitation system such as septic tanks and the patient latrines. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, which parasite ova are commonly tested in the soil sanitation surveys to assess overall soil pollution and sanitary habitats? तो इसका आंसर है एस्केरिस लम्ब्रिकॉइड्स या राउंड वर्म. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, एंड ओवरहेड वाटर स्टोरेज टैंक in a residential building must be cleaned and disinfected at least how often to maintain hygiene, that is every 6 months. कितने टाइम के लिए हम करते हैं? एवरी 6 मंथ्स. अब क्वेश्चन है, द सैनिटरी इंडेक्स और सैनिटरी बैरियर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफन यूटिलाइज्ड इन हाइजीन प्रमोशन इज नोन एज, दैट इज द एफ डायग्राम, फेसेस, फिंगर्स, फ्लाइज, फील्ड्स, फ्लूइड्स, फूड. अब क्वेश्चन है, sludge drying beds used in the wastewater treatment plants operate primary, that is the evaporation and percolation. अब क्वेश्चन है, the single most effective personal hygiene practice to prevent the spread of infectious disease, that is proper hand washing with soap and water. अब क्वेश्चन है, food hygiene practices intended to prevent cross contamination in the kitchen required separately, that is the raw meat, poultry from ready to eat foods. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, the danger zone temperature range in the food safety where bacteria multiplies rapidly in the perishable foods is between, that is the 5 to 60 centigrade. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, pasteurization of milk primarily destroys, that is the pathogenic vegetative bacteria while pursuing nutritional quality. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, food poisoning caused by toxin production in the starchy foods like the cooked rice left at the room temperature is commonly due to, that is the Bacillus cereus. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, botulism is a severe paralytic illness frequently linked with the consumption of improper preserved or canned, like इसको आंसर है home canned low acid foods and vacuum sealed preservatives. ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन है, personal hygiene among food handlers is critically to prevent the outbreak of which viral infection commonly spread via contaminated food, that is the hepatitis A and नोरोवायरस। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है ट्राइकोमा as chronic eye infection leading to blindness is heavily mitigated by improving that is the personal facial cleanness and water availability for washing the faces। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है scabies is a contagious skin infestation caused by the microscopic mite that spread primarily through that is the close personal skin to skin contact। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है pediculosis capitis refers to the infestation of the scalp and hair by that is the head lice या pediculosis human capitis। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है which vitamin deficiency is caused linked with poor dietary hygiene and lack of fresh fruits vegetables leading to scurvy that is the vitamin C या जिसको हम बोलते हैं ascorbic acid। अब क्वेश्चन है zoonotic disease or infectious that naturally reservoirs transmit between that is animals and humans। अब क्वेश्चन है the control of houseflies in the environmental sanitation is crucially because they act as mechanical vector for dysentery, typhoid and cholera। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है rodent control in the homes and the grain storage areas is essential to prevent the spread of plague and that is the leptospirosis and murine typhus। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है that is ventilation in the residual buildings is important because stagnant indoor air increases the concentration of that is carbon dioxide, moisturizer, odors and airborne droplet nuclei example TB bacilli। अब क्वेश्चन है the minimum per capita floor space and the lightening requirements in the house standards are required to prevent that is the overcrowding and transmission of respiratory infection like the tuberculosis। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है pediculosis pediculosis जो है pediculosis corporis or significant vector for transmitting the epidemic that is typhus fever, trench fever and relapsing fever। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है disinfestation refers to the process of destroying or removing that is harmful arthropods, insects and vectors like lice, flies, bugs and rats। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है the term sanitation barrier breaking implies stopping the cycle of disease transmission at point involves that is the faces transmission pathway। अब क्वेश्चन है the proper lighting in the kitchens and the workplaces prevent is the accidents and major advocate that is the visual cleanness and hygiene maintenance। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है washing vegetables in a weak solution of potassium permanganate or salt water before cooking helps in removing surface chemical pesticides residuals and parasite cysts। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है environmental sanitation encompasses all control measures except तो इसका आंसर है curative surgical operations in hospitals। ये except बोल रहा है। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है personal cleanliness habits like the trimming nails short help prevent the accumulation and transmission of that is fungal spores bacteriopathogens worm ova under the nails। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है the health education principle taught by FMPSW MMPSW workers regarding the hand hygiene emphasis washing hands that is the before eating after using the toilet and after handling garbage या sick persons। ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है ultimate goal of community hygiene and environmental sanitation programs that is the promote health and prevent diseases and prolong productive human life। It was all about the MCQs of hygiene। आप एक ट्रिक याद रखो, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द केसेस में जो लॉन्ग वाला आंसर होता है वही करेक्ट होता है। एक ट्रिक दूसरी ट्रिक ये भी है, जो बी पार्ट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द केसेस में होता है, तो ये है इट वाज द ट्रिक अबाउट द एमसीक्यूज चूजिंग, ठीक है। और आप एलिमिनेशन मेथड भी यूज कर सकते हैं, जो आंसर्स आपको रिलेवेंट नहीं लग रहे उनको पहले ही एलिमिनेट कीजिए, ठीक है। तो ये थे एमसीक्यूज किसके, हाइजीन के। उम्मीद है आप इसको रिवाइज करोगे एग्जाम देने से पहले। थैंक यू सो मच।